Hello guys, welcome to the Battle of RC part 5. So guys, today we have a CAT 2022 passage. Okay, the passage is on techno-social dualism. So let's get started. So as you already know, कैसे करते हैं हम लोग passages को? I'm going to show you these slides one by one. You can pause the video, try the question on your own. So guys, this is the second slide, third one, fourth, first question, second question, third question, and fourth question. Okay, now let's get started with the discussion. When we teach engineering problems now, we ask students to come up to a single best solution defined by technical ideals like low cost, speed to build, and ability to scale. This way of teaching primes students to believe that decision making is purely objective as it's grounded in maths and science. सो आजकल जिस तरीके से इंजीनियरिंग प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कराया जाता है तो उसमें हम टेक्निकल आइडल्स जैसे कि लो कॉस्ट, स्पीड, एबिलिटी टू स्केल, इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं. एंड द थिंग इज दैट व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्योरली ऑब्जेक्टिव वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स, इट इज मोर अबाउट मैथ्स एंड साइंस. Okay, now when you focus on maths and science, okay, basically what you are doing is you are biasing the study towards one aspect, that is technical aspect, and you are ignoring the other aspect, that is social aspect. This is known as technical social dualism, where the idea that the technical and social dimension of engineering problems are readily separable and they remain distinct throughout the problem definition and solution process. Now, the author has introduced the term techno-social dualism for the first time here, and what I mean by technical social dualism, it simply means that technical and social dimensions are separate. ठीक है, तो टेक्निकल डायमेंशन इज मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव, ग्राउंडेड इन मैथ्स एंड साइंस, एंड सोशल डायमेंशन इज समथिंग दैट हैज टू डू विद सोसाइटी, बट these two things cannot come together. Now that is how it is taught. Non-technical parameters such as access to technology, culture, relevance, potential harms are deemed political or invalid in the way of learning, but these technical ideals are at best core social and political choices determined by dominant culture focused on economic growth for the most privileged segments of society. ठीक है, अब ऑथर ही कह रहा है कि वैसे तो हम लोग नॉन टेक्निकल पैरामीटर्स को इग्नोर कर देते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कि सोशल, कल्चरल रेलिवेंसी हो गया, बट अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो टेक्निकल आइडियल्स आर affected by social and political choices. How? See, when it comes to technical aspect of things, okay, the technology that is being used, how do you think this technology is being shaped? Okay, it is shaped by people who have the power, who have the privilege. So even the technology that you see today is shaped or determined by the privileged segment for their own economic growth. So author के यहाँ पे पता है point क्या है कि it is not possible to separate technical from social, because technical parameters or technical ideals are actually controlled by people who are privileged. Okay, so indirectly you should consider the social aspect of how this whole situation is working out. By choosing to downplay public welfare as a critical parameter for engineering design, we risk creating a culture of disengagement. Disengagement का मतलब अलग हो जाना from societal concerns among engineers, that is antithetical. Antithetical means against the ethical code of engineering. Simple language, public welfare should not be ignored, and it is very, very critical in engineering design. So if I paraphrase this entire like these two paragraphs, okay, what is the idea? Techno-social dualism is the idea that technical and social aspects of technical problem are separable, but this is not the reality of the real world. In real world, social aspect has to be taken into account, and author believes that if we keep on ignoring the social aspect of engineering problem, it would be against the ethics of engineering, है ना, ethical code of engineering के against हो जाएगा. Okay, moving ahead. In my field of medical devices, तो शायद author medical devices के field में है. Ignoring social dimension has real consequences. इसके कुछ consequences होते हैं. Most FDA approved drugs are incorrectly dosed for people assigned female at birth. So the dosings of the drugs is not according to the females. Why? Because they have been inadequately represented in clinical trials. Okay, so understand it like this. How do you decide the dose of a drug? You carry out trials, और जो ट्रायल्स होते हैं उसमें एक सैम्पल साइज होता है. अब इमेजिन करो कि सैम्पल साइज के अंदर से मैक्सिमम मेल्स हैं, है ना, ठीक है, तो 4 में से 1 फीमेल है, 3 आर मेल्स, तो आपका जो सैम्पल साइज है वो बायस्ड हो जाएगा. अभी जो सैम्पल साइज बायस हो गया तो आपकी जो डोजिंग्स हैं वो भी इनकरेक्ट आएंगी, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दी dose of the male, right? So that is the point that the author is trying to make here, that people who are born female at birth, okay, clinical trials don't give them representation, because of which the dose for a drug is incorrect for the ones who are females. ठीक है? Okay, so this is an adverse outcome, it's an adverse reaction. तो ये हमें मिल गया पहला negative consequence, right? Okay, negative consequence of what? Negative consequence of ignoring the social dimension. Beyond physical failings, subjective beliefs treated as fact by those in decision-making roles can encode social inequities. Subjective beliefs का मतलब क्या होता है? Anything that is subjective is very personal, it's very biased. Now, when I say subjective, subjective simply means that it would differ from person to person. So some people may have a subjective belief where they consider like some other race as inferior. तो अगर आप decision making को subjective beliefs पे base करोगे, it implies that it's not based on data, it's not based on reality, it's not based on empirical evidence. So anything that is based on your whims and fancies, okay, or like the belief system of a certain person, okay, assuming that he's coming from a privileged society, so that is what the assumption is. So these people who are using their subjective beliefs to make decisions, तो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Society में inequity फैलेगी, है ना, like there would be discrimination and all that. For example, spirometer, routinely used device that measures lung capacity, still has correction factors that automatically assume smaller lung capacity in black and Asian individuals. These racially based adjustments are derived from research done by eugenists who thought these racial differences were biologically determined and who considered non-white people as inferior. ठीक है, तो ऑथर ने यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट प्रूव करने की कोशिश की है कि जो स्पायरोमीटर होता है उसमें जो करेक्शन फैक्टर है, this correction factor is not a result of science. This correction factor is because of the fact that the people who carried out the research were biased, and these people assumed that non-whites don't have that much lung capacity, so we should introduce a correction factor. ठीक है, तो अब हालांकि कितना सच है हमें नहीं पता, बट ऑथर का ये मानना है कि जो करेक्शन फैक्टर है, ठीक है, in the spirometer, it's actually a reflection of the subjective belief system of people who are in decision making authority, and because there are certain people who assumed that non-whites are inferior, that is why these people have introduced the correction factor. Okay, so we can see that spirometer ka correction factor has been taken as an example of proving that how subjective beliefs could create problems and spread social inequities, right? So what is the paraphrasing? Ignoring social dimension using subjective beliefs in decision making leads to social inequities. अब social inequities में कौन से दो example आ गए? एक तो पहला ये वाला कि dosings of drugs is not correct for females, and second is correction factor spirometer. Use of correction factor in spirometer for black and Asians is an example of that. ठीक है, ओके, सो ऑथर को लगता है कि भाई स्पायरोमीटर करेक्शन फैक्टर एक बायस का नतीजा है. ओके, आगे चलते हैं. Many technologies for systematically marginalized people, okay, now who are marginalized people, जिन लोगों को आप मेन सोसाइटी में इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते, तो many technologies for systematically marginalized people have not been built because they were deemed not important, such as better early diagnostics and treatment for disease like endometriosis, okay, a disease that afflicts 10% of people with uterus, okay, so that is women. Simple language में author is saying कि बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज ऐसी हैं जिनको इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दिया जाता क्योंकि जो उसके यूजर्स हैं उनको हम लोग थोड़ा सा मार्जिनलाइज करके रखते हैं. And in this case, the author has taken the example of a disease, endometriosis, and author believes कि not much research has happened because this disease afflicts females only, right? So we are not doing enough research because women are not given that much importance in the society. And we hardly question whether devices are built sustainably, which has led to a crisis of medical waste and healthcare, accounting for 10% of US greenhouse emissions. अब ये point थोड़ा अलग है. यहाँ sustainability की बात हो रही है. Sustainable word का meaning होता है something that does not harm the environment or something that could be carried on for a long term without having negative consequences. तो आई थिंक फ्यूल के कंटेक्स्ट में आपने सुना ही होगा ना वर्ड सस्टेनेबल. अपन बोलते हैं ना कि भाई नेचुरल गैस इज सस्टेनेबल, और फॉर दैट मैटर electric batteries are more sustainable as compared to let's say fossil fuels. Why? Because sustainable things would not lead to pollution, so they could be carried on for a longer term. So यहाँ पे author सिर्फ ये point बोल रहा है इस part में कि we should also pay attention to the idea of sustainability because a lot of pollution is happening because of medical waste. ठीक है, social justice must be made core to the way engineers are trained. Some universities are working on this. Engineers taught this way will be prepared to think critically about what problems we choose to solve, how we do so responsibly, and how we build teams that challenge our way of thinking. Good enough. ठीक है, तो हमें social justice वाले एंगल को इंजीनियर्स को सिखाना चाहिए. Okay. So क्या होगी paraphrasing? Many technologies have not been given their due importance as they're meant for marginalized people, okay, like the treatment of endometriosis. So according to the author, not enough research on endometriosis has happened because we are ignoring marginalized people. अब जब इस चीज के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आएगा तो वापस आ सकते हो, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि मार्जिनलाइज पीपल का जो डिस्कशन है वो कहाँ पे हुआ है ना, बिकॉज पैराफ्रेज आपने किया है तो आपको याद है कि इस पैराग्राफ में इस चीज़ की बात हुई है. तो यू कैन अगेन कम बैक इफ यू लाइक हैव अ क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस. देन फिर ऑथर ने फिर यहाँ पे इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में बस एक सिंपल सी बात बोली है कि सोशल जस्टिस को भी ट्रेनिंग का पार्ट बनाना चाहिए इंजीनियर्स को जब आप ट्रेन करते हो. गुड एनफ. ओके, लास्ट पैराग्राफ. Individual engineering professors are also working to embed social needs in the pedagogy. Pedagogy का मतलब होता है style of teaching. Now if you look at this paragraph, basically इसमें पता है क्या mention हो रहा है कि how individual teachers are taking the responsibility of teaching the moral and social responsibility in the engineering problem solving to the students. And you have many examples like Khalid Qadir, you have Darshan Karwat, right? ठीक है, जो कि आपको social dimension को integrate करना आपको सिखा रहे हैं, understanding of people, place based history, है ना, वगैरह वगैरह. Now my take on this paragraph is that because this paragraph is talking about individuals who are trying to incorporate social dimension in the engineering aspect of the problem, you can always come back to this paragraph if required. ठीक है, अगर किसी इंडिविजुअल के नाम के हिसाब से क्वेश्चन है तो, है ना. बाकी अदरवाइज वी कैन सी जस्ट बाय लाइक, है ना, जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट द पैराग्राफ सुपरफिशियली दैट द पैराग्राफ इज जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द इनिशिएटिव्स टेकन बाय सम टीचर्स टू ट्रेन इंजीनियर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द सोशल कंटेक्स्ट बेटर. ठीक है, अभी इसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा तो मैं आ जाऊँगा, बिकॉज टीचर्स की बात लास्ट पैरा के अंदर हुई है, मुझे समझ में आ गया. ओके, सो now let's have a look at the questions. In this passage the author is making the claim that, author क्या claim कर रहा है, option देखते हैं. First, technical social dualism has emerged as a technique for engineering students to incorporate social consideration. Tell me something, techno-social dualism is ignoring social considerations or it's incorporating? It's ignoring, right? So this one ruled out. Next बात है, the objective of best solution in engineering has shifted the focus of pedagogy style of teaching from humanism and social obligations to technological perfection. तो B option is saying कि इंजीनियरिंग का फोकस ह्यूमनिज्म से और सोशल ऑब्लिगेशन से टेक्नोलॉजिकल परफेक्शन पे शिफ्ट हो गया. मतलब पहले इंजीनियरिंग का फोकस था ह्यूमनिज्म और सोशल ऑब्लिगेशन. कुछ याद आ रहा है क्या ऐसा कि इंजीनियरिंग यूज टू फोकस ऑन ह्यूमनिज्म एंड सोशल ऑब्लिगेशंस? आई कांट रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, दिस इज ऑब्वियसली द लाइक factually incorrect. Engineering students today are trained to be non-subjective in their reasoning. चलो ठीक है, non-subjective का मतलब objective हो गया. ठीक है, as this best enables them to develop much needed universal solutions. अब universal solutions कौन से होते हैं? Universal solutions ऐसे होते हैं जो दुनिया में सबके लिए काम आ जाए, universally applicable हो, गरीब अमीर सबके लिए. ठीक है, do you really remember anywhere in the passage they saying like that engineers are developing universal solutions? No. D option. Engineering students today are taught to focus on objective technical outcomes. Yes, that is correct. They're focusing on the objective technical outcomes independent of का मतलब ignoring, not taking into account what? Social dimension. Yes, that's the answer. Okay, so D option. Pretty simple question. Second one. The author gives all of the following reasons for why marginalized people are systematically discriminated against in technology-related interventions except, which means 3 options are negative outcomes. Okay, one is not a negative outcome of systematic discrimination. तो इसको मैं करूँगा कैसे कि आई वुड एक्चुअली categorize each of these options as discriminating or non-discriminating, right? And then finally the one that is non-discriminating would become my answer. Okay, A option. And we hardly question whether devices are built sustainably, which has led to the crisis of medical waste and healthcare, accounting for 10% of US greenhouse emissions. Sustainability का डिस्कशन हम लोगों ने किया था. अब सस्टेनेबिलिटी का डिस्कशन जो है दैट हैज मोर टू डू विद एनवायरमेंट. इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑफ मार्जिनलाइज पीपल, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि आप किसी को जानबूझ के आप रेशियली या एथनिकली आप डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे हो. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग मोर पॉल्यूशन एंड यू नीड अ बेटर वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स, राइट? सो इट इज रिलेटेड टू सस्टेनेबिलिटी. सो दिस इज नॉन डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग. ठीक है, तो उसको एनडी में शॉर्ट फॉर्म में डाल रहा हूँ. आगे देखते हैं. दिस रेशियली बेस्ड एडजस्टमेंट गाइस, तो ये तो यहीं से पता चल गया. ठीक है, racially based adjustments are derived from research done by eugenists who thought these racial differences were biologically determined. So you can see racial differences, racially based adjustments. Okay, this is like discussion related to spirometer, if you remember. So spirometer के context में बातें हुई थी, तो भाई ये तो बिल्कुल discriminatory है. आपने blacks और Asians के लिए correction factor निकाल रखा है, so that is discriminatory. D. Okay. C option. Beyond physical feelings, subjective beliefs treated as facts by those in decision-making roles can encode social inequities. Inequities का मतलब ही होता है inequality. तो inequality का मतलब this is also discriminatory. ठीक है. So subjective beliefs की वजह से आप जो decisions लेते हो, people in decision-making power, उनका जो decision होता है वो social inequality को फैलाता है. Social inequity, discriminatory. But those technical ideals at their core, social and political choices determined by dominant culture, focused on economic growth for privileged segment of society. Bilkul. So if you're taking decisions or the decisions are being taken by people who are belonging to privileged segment है ना, मतलब उनके पास power है. They are the ones in the decision making power. Okay. और ये जो लोग हैं वो decision ले रहे हैं, dominant है. Dominant culture. So dominant, privileged, focusing only on economic growth. क्या लगता है? Discriminatory, right? These three are discriminatory. This option has to do with pollution, with greenhouse emissions, and sustainability. So yes, A option. Moving ahead. All of the following are examples of the negative outcomes of focusing on technical ideals in the medical sphere, except. So how do I solve this question? Shortcut. Negative outcomes, negative. Except का मतलब ही नेगेटिव. सो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव क्या बन गया? इट बिकम्स अ पॉजिटिव. नाउ व्हाट डज पॉजिटिव मीन? इट मीन्स या तो ऑप्शन एक्चुअली पॉजिटिव ही होगा या फिर इट्स नॉट नेगेटिव, राइट? नाउ व्हेन आई से नॉट नेगेटिव, इट सिंपली मीन्स दैट इट कैन ऑल्सो बी एन इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज ईदर फैक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट और इट इज नॉट रेलिवेंट टू द क्वेश्चन एट हैंड. ठीक है, या आई थिंक ये शॉर्टकट आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि जैसे अभी ये क्वेश्चन है नेगेटिव आउटकम्स एक्सेप्ट, नेगेटिव आउटकम्स एक्सेप्ट. अब ये नेगेटिव आउटकम्स एक्सेप्ट को आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो कि भाई वन ऑफ दीज ऑप्शंस इज एक्चुअली ईदर पॉजिटिव और इट्स नॉट नेगेटिव. ठीक है, तो एज वी गो थ्रू द चॉइसेस वी आर गोइंग टू डू दैट. ओके, ऑल्सो व्हेन यू से all of the following examples are the examples of negative outcomes of focusing on the technical ideals in medical research except, so इसका एक मीनिंग ये भी है कि बाकी की जो तीन है वो तो नेगेटिव ही होंगे. अब एक ऑप्शन है जो पॉजिटिव हो सकता है जो कि नॉट नेगेटिव हो सकता है ना. देख लेते हैं. Incorrect assignment of people as female at birth which has resulted in faulty drug interventions. Now guys, understand this. When people are born, they are not as per the passage. Okay, nowhere it is mentioned that you incorrectly assign people as females. Okay, which essentially means कि जब बच्चे पैदा होते हैं उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे जो लोग वहाँ पे डिसाइड करते हैं कि मेल है या फीमेल है, ठीक है, दे मेक एरर्स. Okay, when those babies are born. So that is what it means. Incorrect assignment of people as female at birth. Okay, incorrect assignment of people as females at birth. Okay, I don't remember anywhere in the passage it's saying that there is incorrect assignment of people at birth. Okay, of female as female at birth. No, so it's like I would say that it's either unrelated or it's not factual. Okay, it's not something that is mentioned in the passage. And even if you look at the situation, this is looking more like a human error rather than a discrimination. तो passage में जो हमें दे रखा था वो क्या दे रखा था? passage पे चलते हैं. Okay, so this is the paragraph. Look at this. In my field of medical devices, ignoring social dimension has real consequences. Most FDA approved drugs are incorrectly dosed for people assigned female at birth. It's not saying incorrectly assigned female at birth. ध्यान देना. It's not saying incorrectly assigned female at birth. It's saying incorrectly dosed. Okay. यानी कि प्रॉब्लम डोजिंग में है, असाइनमेंट में नहीं है. और जब आप ये बोल रहे हो कि drugs are incorrectly dosed for people assigned female at birth, it simply means you don't consider the females in the clinical trials. That is the reason why people who are born as females do not get the correct dose recommendations. It has nothing to do with incorrect assignment of females at birth. The term incorrectly, okay, which is an adverb, okay, it's like is modifying the term dosed. Okay, it's not modifying assignment. Okay, coming back. चलिए, so आगे चलते हैं. Exclusion of non-privileged groups in clinical trials which leads to incorrect drug dosages, है ना. Non-privileged groups बिल्कुल clinical trials में आप females को represent नहीं करते, जिसकी वजह से उनके drug recommendations सही नहीं होते, है ना, because the sample size does not feature females that many. Okay, that many females, right? Yes, that is going to create discrimination. That is going to create नेगेटिव आउटकम. दैट्स अ नेगेटिव आउटकम, नो डाउट्स. ये नेगेटिव आउटकम हो गया आपका. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. नेग्लेक्ट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर द डायग्नोसिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डिजीज दैट टिपिकली अफेक्ट मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटीज. नाउ गाइस, दिस इज द discussion on endometriosis, which is actually mentioned as a negative outcome of the fact that you ignore diseases that afflict marginalized people. Okay, so let me take you back. So ये रहा, ठीक है. So marginalized people, endometriosis, that's a negative outcome because you're not developing treatments for those people who are marginalized. Yes, that's a negative outcome. Continuing calibration of medical devices based on past racial biases that have remained unadjusted for changes. Yes, that's a negative outcome. So according to the author, the example of spirometer, okay, the example of spirometer was basically about the racial biases that researchers had, because of which they introduced the correction factor. So I'm going to eliminate B, C and D because ये तीनों negative outcomes हैं. A option is not even mentioned in the passage, so that is not factual, that's unrelated. So the answer is option A. Moving ahead, we can infer that the author would approve of a more evolved engineering pedagogy that includes all of the following except. So out of the given 4 options, 3 options will get the approval. ठीक है, of author, approval of author. ठीक है, एक ऑप्शन को ऑथर अप्रूव नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, वन ऑप्शन ओके वुड नॉट बी अप्रूव्ड. आपको बताना वो कौन सा वाला है. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स टेक्निकल सोशल डुअलिज्म. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स, पैसेज में तो ये समझ में आ रहा था कि वी शुड मूव अवे फ्रॉम टेक्निकल सोशल डुअलिज्म, राइट. ये तो उल्टी बात हो गई. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स टेक्निकल सोशल डुअलिज्म वेयर सोशल कम्युनिटी नीड्स आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन प्रॉब्लम डेफिनेशन सॉल्यूशंस. सो गाइस, दिस इज लुकिंग like a problem here, right? Okay, like why would you move towards technical social dualism? As per the author, you should move away from technical social dualism. That was the whole agenda of the author. Okay, so not approved. Okay, so this would not be approved. Moving ahead. Making considerations of environment sustainability interesting to the development of technological solution. Yes, author has said. Author has talked about environmental sustainability, so this is looking like a positive option, so this would be approved any which ways. Design that is based on needs of communities using local knowledge and okay, so needs of communities बोल रहा है author कि community needs को भाई ignore नहीं करना है, community needs को आपको account में लेना है. Approved. A more responsible approach to technical design and problem solving. Responsible approach Responsible approach का मतलब approach that is more holistic, that includes every dimension. Okay, so just don't focus on speed and scale, also focus on other things. Okay, so when you focus on other things, that's a responsible approach. Approved. Okay, the only option that would not be approved is A option. Now, in order to make this option confusing, what they have actually done is that they have included the social community wala aspect also. But you should understand that this is just like a way to confuse you, because the main statement is telling you to move towards technical social dualism, which is against the author's argument. So, which one would not be approved? Option A. Okay, so that was the last question, guys. And as you already know about this batch, so guys, we are running the Chanakya batch. These are the results of the past year, 99 plus, 98 plus. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a part of this batch, you can still join. Okay, तो अभी start ही हुआ है, आप join कर सकते हो. And this batch is valid till 31st of March. So you have like all the OMATs also covered as a part of this batch. Okay. So anyone who is looking at a systematic batch, regular study schedule, okay, you can be a part of this batch. Okay. Features kya kya hai? Obviously you have all the well-known faculties. You have Udit sir. I'm going to take your verbal section. Okay. Complete syllabus would be covered. 6 days a week classes. Printed booklets. Okay. The mocks are included. The sectional tests are included. All the sectionals and mocks would have video solutions. Okay. And the best part is, even if you miss the classes or if you want to revise the classes, the video solution is always going to be available, right? So you can always go back and refer to the video solution. Okay. So this batch more or less includes everything. Also OMATs. Okay. So even if you're looking at OMATs, this is one of the batches that you can look at. ठीक है, 31st March तक valid रहेगा, तो आपका OMATs वाला जो पार्ट है, जो एस्पेक्ट है, वो भी आपका कवर हो जाएगा. There's a dedicated video that talks about the Chanakya batch. You can go through the playlist and you can find that video and you can go through that video as well. So that is it from me, guys. I'm going to see you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.